zero tax up to rupees 12 lakhs and it can be up to 12.75 lakhs in case of salaried individuals. This is the talk of the country now thanks to the union budget, and here we have the new tax slab rates. This is applicable for the financial year 2025-26. It means its corresponding assessment year is 26-27. So here up to 4 lakhs there will be no taxes. 4 to 8 lakhs it is 5%. 8 to 12, 10%, 12 to 16, 15%, 16 to 20, 20%, 20 to 24, 25%, and greater than 24 lakh is going to be 30%. So here we may have a question. There is a tax applicable up to 12 lakh. That is 4 to 8 has 5%, 8 to 12 has 10%. Then how do we say it is zero tax up to 12 lakhs? Let's break that down. When the income is 12 lakhs, up to 0 to 4 lakhs, no taxes. 4 to 8 lakhs, it is at the rate of 5%, so tax amount is going to be 20,000. 8 to 12 lakhs at the rate of 10%, tax amount is going to be 40,000. It means effectively 20 plus 40, the tax amount should be 60,000. But income tax has provided for a rebate under section 87A to the extent of 60,000. It means if your income is going to be 12 lakhs, tax amount will be 60,000. But you will have a rebate of 60,000, so tax payable will be nil. Then how do we say up to 12.75 lakhs it is nil in case of salaried individuals? Okay, let's take the case of a salaried individual who is getting a salary of 12,75,000. He is actually eligible for a standard deduction of 75,000 as per the latest budget. It means 12,75,000 minus 75,000, his income is going to be 12 lakh only, on which the tax payable will be 60,000, but he'll be eligible for a rebate of 60,000, so the net tax payable will be nil. Now comes a very interesting question. What will happen if income is greater than 12 lakh? Let's say only 12 lakh 10,000. Whether tax will be applied on entire 12 lakh 10,000 or it will be applied only on 10,000? Let's see. So when the income is greater than 12 lakh, the tax slab rates are going to be like this. Up to 4 lakh nil, 4 to 8 lakh at the rate of 5%, it is going to be this 20,000. 8 to 12 lakh at the rate of 10%, it's going to be this 40,000. And 12 lakh to 12 lakh 10,000 at the rate of 15%, it is going to be 1,500. So the total tax payable will be 20,000 plus 40,000 plus 1,500. Ideally, it should be 61,500. But government is not going to levy this 61,500 because government understands that the increase in income is only 10,000 because up to 12 lakh there is no tax. So beyond 12 lakh, the increase in income is only 10,000. For this 10,000, they are not going to charge this 61,500. So that's where the concept of marginal relief comes into picture. So what the government will do is, they will compare the tax of 61,500 with the additional income, that is income earned over and above this 12 lakh. So in this case, income earned over and above 12 lakh is only 10,000. So for having earned 10,000 additional, he is now asked to pay 61,500, which is not fair. So this difference will be provided as marginal relief. So the difference is 61,500 minus 10,000, that is 51,500. Meaning if he is earning greater than 12 lakh, then the tax amount collected on that additional income should not exceed the additional income itself. So on the 61,500, this 51,500 will be provided as marginal relief. So the tax payable will be 61,500 minus 51,500. It means only 10,000 will be the tax payable when income is something like this. That's amazing, right? Let me also give you another scenario. Let us take this scenario when income is 12,70,000. So in this case, as usual, we'll calculate as per the slabs. And here up to 12 lakh, we know it is 20 plus 40, 60,000. And 12 to 12 lakh 70,000, that is 70,000 at the rate of 15%, it is 10,500. So totally it is 20 plus 40 plus 10,500, it is 70,500. So here this individual is asked to pay 70,500 because his income exceeded 12 lakh by 70,000. So for marginal relief, what we will do? We will compare the tax payable with the income that exceeded 12 lakhs. So 70,500 minus 70,000. So the excess portion is only 500. So this 500 alone will be provided as marginal relief on the calculated amount of 70,500. So the net tax payable will be 70,000. So this is how things are going to be in future, that is from the assessment year 2026-27. And also please note the cases where there are special tax rates. Let's say in case of capital gains and all, taxes will be levied and collected as per those special rates.
Diamond membership. Subscribe now and get access to 130 plus pre-recorded online courses, 100 plus ebook, and assurance of free access to all future publications. So if you are an accounting or finance or banking professional and serious about learning and upskilling, Diamond membership for you, check the link in description or click the WhatsApp button below for more details. Check the link in description or comment Diamond or DUM. I'll share the details with you.